Hey, ever wondered if the Orb Layer puzzle app is the real deal or just another mobile scam in disguise? I dove deep into this game so you don't have to waste your time or your cash. So here's what I found. Orb Layer Puzzle, dropped in late December 2025, is basically a pure puzzle game. The goal? Sort colored orbs into matching layers. Super chill, kind of addictive, and honestly a nice way to kill a few minutes. But let's get real, is it going to make you rich? Nope. There's zero mention of payouts, gift cards, or crypto anywhere in the Play Store listing. The developers are clear, no get-rich-quick nonsense here. If you see anyone promising cash for playing this particular app, that's an instant red flag. Now I get it. The word orb pops up in all kinds of apps, and that's where people get tricked. Don't mix this up with the Orb Internet Speed Tool, or anything to do with WorldCoin's weird eye-scanning device. This is just a puzzle game, no secret payment system hiding in the settings. Safety-wise, Orb Layer Puzzle collects basic info like your location and device ID, but this is standard for most games. It encrypts your data on the way to their servers, which checks the security box for me. Bottom line, if you're in it for some relaxing gameplay, go for it. But if you're hoping for a payday, you'll need to look somewhere else. There's nothing shady, but also no cash out. Remember, if an app ever asks for an upfront payment or makes crazy payout promises, back out fast. For now, Orb Layer Puzzle is just what it says on the tin, a legit, simple puzzle game.